Hi, I'm Todd Brandon and this is Callum Ryan. We're from the agency and welcome to our latest listing here in Rockhampton. This multi-dimensional investment opportunity is in a wonderful location. As you can see at the end of the street, we're just a short stroll to the loft apartments which are currently under construction.
So guys, we have a commercial property here with not one, not two, not three, but 4 fully occupied shop spaces. But wait, there's more. We're also selling the 2 houses next door that also have fully occupied tenancy.
Callum, you're making this sound like a telecommercial, but in all seriousness, this is an incredible investment opportunity. Let's have a look around.
So guys, we're here at 43 Archer Street here in Rockhampton City with the most iconic shop out of the complex being Samo's Fish and Chips. Let's take a look inside. So guys, we're now at 87 Kent Street. This place is set up for dual living potential. Let's have a look at what this house has to offer. We're now at 89 Kent Street. Now, similar to 87 Kent Street, this property is set up for dual living purposes. With the neat and tidy home upstairs and a transformed shop front for comfortable living downstairs, this property has so much to offer.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What an iconic building here at Samo's. We've got a commercial property as well as 2 residential homes. And if we can help you own this incredible investment, give us a call. I think it would look spectacular in your portfolio.